Sonny boy, I met a girl way down in old shady land. Sonny boy, I met a wonderful girl way down in old shady land. But she didn't belong to me. I had to catch her the time I can.
I know what you was talking about because I dropped a letter in her backyard. Maybe Slim, I know what you're talking about because I threw the letter over in her backyard. You know, I couldn't even go to see little girl because her kid man had me barred.
It's a strange thing. In this wide, wide world, big world. Strange as it may seem. In this wide, 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 big world. All the people on earth, why are we in love with the same little girl?
You know, my friend got mad with me because I've been writing a letter to his girlfriend. My best friend got mad with me because I would write a letter to his girlfriend.
I ain't mad no more, I ain't mad no more.
I was in love with a sister. God knows I didn't want the girl to know what the little boy had in his skin.
No good for it, so I guess you gotta have her. You gotta have her own cooperation plan. Sonny boy, let's have the little girl. Let's have own cooperation plan. Let's try to keep her for ourselves so she can't be running
around
from man
to man. Maybe Slim, you talk to little girl. We gonna try to make her understand. We don't want her lose her reputation, running around from man to man. That's well understood. If she break our rule, she ain't nothing but a fool.